It was good, people. Welcome back. Asu is back at me. How you been? How you doing? Hope everything's good with you. Um, I have this BMW. This is a 1987. And I'm gonna use this as a example on how to open the door when the door doesn't open from inside and outside. This thing is stuck and you cannot open it. So come on, let's get it. Before I jump into the action, shout outs to the viewers. Love you. Thank you for the support. And let's get it. What you're gonna do first, what you wanna do first from inside is look for the screws that hold the door panel. Alright. In this case was like three screws, one here, one here, one here. Alright. Once you remove the screws, it's gonna be really tight because the door is closed, right? So you're gonna have to like first start pulling the door panel towards you and then pull it up. Okay, you can do it like this, you can do it like this, you can do it at the same time, but in this case everything is tight because this BMW 1987 325i, it's convertible, as you can see, and everything is tight over here. Okay, so in this case what I did was like unhook, do the screws, the three screws, and pop it here, pop it, pop it, pop it, pop it here, push it up like that. The door panel come off. Okay. Once the door panel come off, you're gonna have this cover. This is for the rain though. So the system, the the parts don't get wet. You're gonna see it like that. Peel it off. Okay. Once you peel it off, you're gonna try to check the system, check the, if nothing is moving, if this thing is not moving all the way, you have to locate this guy. This guy is the one that controls everything. If this thing is locked or broken or it's not working, you are not gonna be able to open the door. Okay. This is the motor that hook open and close the system, because inside, let me show you, you have all these metals, pins, whatever you want to call it. Talking about these guys, right? Inside. So you don't want to break this. You don't want to break this. Okay. And it's gonna be impossible to unhook it. All right. So what you want to do is locate where it's attached. In this case, this one was attached here, like that, right there. And you gotta remove the screws that hold it. Then your door opens and closes with no problem. All right. Pretty much. Okay. And that's all you gotta do to open the door from inside. when the door doesn't open at all. Doesn't open from inside, doesn't open from outside. This is how you open it from inside. This is the only way you can open the door. All right. Hope you like the video. Hope you enjoy. Alright guys, I'm gonna leave it right here. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to destroy the like, share, subscribe button. Do that for me. I would appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Other than shout outs to the viewers, subscribers, viewers. What you waiting for? Subscribe now. Get your subscription. All right. And hit the bell too, so you get notified every time I upload a new video. All right. That's pretty much it. Hope you like the video. Highlight your boys, me, Stu, clocking out. Yeah.